Dashcams are great security tools as they capture everything that happens during a drive and can be the difference between a new vehicle or bankruptcy from the repair bills. They have a variety of peculiarities, but a quality one can guard against illegal activity, recording speed, administration, driver behavior, and more. So if you're looking for one, we can help you out with some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all of the featured products and their buying links. Our list begins with the Pathinglek dashcam. This dashcam is designed with a super big aperture and a wide dynamic range, so when driving in the evening with one dashcam, which will be safer and reliable. It offers you a 1080p Full HD video with a super wide angle lens that captures the whole road in crystal clear definition. This cam is equipped with G-sensor. Once the vehicle collides, it automatically records and automatically saves it to the emergency video folder to prevent the video from being covered to ensure the evidence is intact. The 170-degree wide angle of the camera quickly includes 4 lanes. To reduce the blind spot, the wide-angle design of the driving recorder is fundamental. When the memory card is full, the intelligent automatic deletion of the usually recorded video without manual removal can realize the loop recording, eliminating the trouble of manually deleting the video. Next up on the list, we have the Rove R2-4K dashcam. It can record videos up to a resolution of 2160p. The revolutionary super night vision technology helps to get comparatively more explicit footage and images from the recording in low light conditions. You can use the ROVE app to instantly view and manage dashcam recordings on your iOS and Android devices. The built-in GPS accurately records your driving location and speed. View your driving route and tracker on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our car DV player. Its built-in G-sensor gets activated by sudden collision and locks the current video file as a piece of substantial evidence for further investigation. The next product on the list is the VAVA VA-V2002 dashcam. The front and rear cameras simultaneously capture the road, front and rear in crystal details at dual 1920 by 1080p 30 frames per second. Or single front camera provides you with a crystal clear QHD 2560 by 1440p at 30 frames per second video resolution. It comes with a dual industry-leading Sony sensor that improves low-light sensitivity, allowing precise imaging in low-light environments. The combination f1.8 and 6 glass lens record a clear visible video day or night. The dashcam can monitor your car's surroundings. In contrast, your car is parked and the engine is off, functioning as a surveillance camera system and automatically recording video upon detecting any bumps or physical movement. With the built-in G-sensor detects a sudden shock or collision, the camera will automatically loop record driving incidents and lock videos, which can be used as important evidence for insurance claims. The APEMAN C860 dual dashcam is equipped with a 170-degree wide angle for dual cameras, monitoring all directions without visual blind zone. With a WQHD 2688 by 1520p resolution at 30 frames per second max, 1440p front and 1080p rear dual lens capture the road simultaneously in a super clear definition. Supporting 128GB SD card, while H.265 encode type takes less file space. The camera provides more extended time recording even during parking than others. Also, it automatically overwrites previous records with new files when the SD card is full. With the built-in G-sensor, the camera will automatically lock the current video when it detects shake or collision, which won't be overwritten by the loop recording and saved at a separate event folder. Additionally, its 3-inch IPS widescreen recovers clear and real effects of the realistic scene. Up next on the list, we have the CHORTAU B-T13 dashcam. This dual dashcam is equipped with a 1080p resolution front camera and a waterproof rear camera. It comes with 6 pieces IR LED and wide dynamic range. The front camera captures the license plates and road signs even at night, ensuring you get the best footage. Its variable sensitivity G-sensor automatically detects a sudden collision and immediately saves the relevant footage and locks it to the SOS file. This dashcam automatically powers on and starts recording as soon as impact is detected, thus providing you with video evidence if someone in parking scratches your car. Additionally, the included suction mount could easily be attached anywhere on your windshield in seconds. Meet up the all-new TOGUARD CE41 dashcam. With a 1.5-inch LCD screen, the 6-glass HD dual-lens dashcam simultaneously records front at 1920 by 1080p resolution with 30 frames per second, and inside at 1080 by 720p resolution with 25 frames per second, which provides sharp, high-quality videos, images, and powerful evidence in case of an accident. The interior-facing camera comes with 4 infrared LED lights. f/1.8 aperture can handle low-light conditions and ensure flawless video footage even when the passenger cabin is dark at night. The 170-degree wide-angle front lens and 140-degree cabin lens capture the whole road from the edges of your windscreen and simultaneously record what is happening inside the cabin. Further, the continuous loop recording will automatically overwrite the oldest footage, so you don't need to worry about your memory card running out of space. Last on the video, but at the top of the list, we have the APEMAN C420 dashcam. This cam has a lightweight mini design that can be entirely hidden behind the rear mirror. The appearance, texture, and the upgrade of the button make the product feel more comfortable. It offers a 1080p recording and advanced sensor to ensure full high-definition recording during the day and night. Equipped with a wide-angle camera of 170 degrees, it captures the every detail on the way. The car recorder includes motion detection and parking monitoring. It automatically starts recording when it detects a collision or shakes, providing you with security every moment. Moreover, it comes with a complete set of accessories for your immediate use. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.